MeghalayaPost.news.
They have tried their best, I'm telling you, from police department, they have tried their best, from the Sohra, the Hima also, they have tried their best to locate and to find out the whereabouts of these couples, but they could not trace it out.
Ngala Shim Khia bani keren seki bor badi pej jongga sorkar na bantaban wat yaki Shijur kibala jakno haka jingwan kai jongok kai perthei cha Sohra bat kibaderu na Indor jongga jala Madhya Pradesh ong uba Hek MLA ka parti BJP habakren seki lat pathai kebor mentakasni ula ong ru kum MLA na ka parti BJP ula hab ban Shim Khia halor kan Jingjah bososi kadi hadin bagi porlok jongu na Madhya Pradesh bat kibaderu na kaju ka parti kila phone yu ban Kyrpad lem na ka banta ban Shim Khia haka ban wat yaki Shijur kibala jak saka thain Sohra ulai turu kum gajing semua para beliau hadin balik phone na Madhya Pradesh ula de phone cha UDC SP SDO ke Sohra Civil Subdivision bat seki pulit ke Sohra police station ban harap lem ban Shim hakaban wat ikiti Shijur bat watla kibor badi pej yang ke sorkar kila Shim Khia ban wat ikiti Shijur bat Shim lalapan haduk mentah kumbar perkenmau kini Shijur kilawan kai Sohra cha Sohra ki kintup ya uraja Raghuvanshi lai post nem kerta bat ka kurim jongu ka sonam Raghuvanshi ka ba news nem kerta bat kalong ru ka khubor ka bosongsi batang hadin sisngi bagi lawan poi sapok ka senong maul khiat kata haka arpo artri ujemang arja absan bat ka singi ka babut pan kila jakno bor Shijur kem datip sei kila poi neja
Still now cannot be traceable. Number one is because I got the call from BJP leaders from Madhya Pradesh and also from the Honorable Minister, but I will not mention the name because they said that they're relative only. So they have told me to just to help them. Then I said, okay, since this request came from our party and also from the Honorable Minister, so I have some work also in in Sohra today. So by both the work have been completed and combined. So assessment is not traceable at all. I had a meeting with the SDO Civil, the BDO and also the another magistrate, but very difficult. They have tried their best. They have given all the details. So I have already sent it to you the details minutely. So but traceable till now, till at this moment, there is no traceable at all. Conducted, I'm telling you, already have given to you, but I just once again, I just want to give you. So the Sohra police station has initiated search operation for the tourist couple reported missing after their visit at Meghalaya village, Elaka Menteng, near the double-decker road bridge in Nong Riat. From inquiry so far, we have learned that on May 22nd, 2025, the couple arrived at Meghalaya village on the rented scooty and engaged in a local guide, Mr. Bha Wansai, to escort them to the Shipara homestay at Nong Riat, where they stayed overnight. They checked out from the homestay at 6 a.m. on May 23rd, 2025 and proceed back to Meghalaya village. Since then, there is no traceable, no sign of the person's whereabouts. No, that is, I have already done my part since they told me by my colleague from the Madhya Pradesh and also my party from Madhya Pradesh. So we have already, on humanitarian ground, we have been approached I have told the SP also, I have told the DC also, and also I have told the ADM, the SDO Civil of Sohra. They have tried their best, I'm telling you, from police department, they have tried their best, from the Sohra, the Hima also, they have tried their best to locate and to find out the whereabouts of these couples, but they could not trace it out.
MeghalayaPost.news.